Hey guys, hey, check this out. I rebled the brakes again in a Big Dog. I bought new DOT 5 fluid, and I bled the brakes really good. I made sure there's no air in them. I took my rear caliper off. I checked the brakes. The brakes are cool. They're wearing evenly. I blew out the rear caliper. I blew it out, and I took the bleeder screw off. I blew it out, make sure there's no dirt inside that. Put it back on. I bled the brakes, and they were a little bit better with the new brake fluid, but not much. It might have went up to maybe 40%. So what I'm thinking is my the rear master cylinder needs rebuilt. Possibly the Ravenol did something to my seals, to those seals. It might have damaged the seals, or possibly the rear master cylinder just wore out. You know, because this is a 2006. It's what, 15 years old, so it might have just wore out on its own. So I have a rebuild kit coming in for the rear master cylinder. When I get it, I'll take it off, I'll take it apart, I'll make a video about that. By then it's going to be snowing outside, so I'm going to have to test this in here. What I'll do is I'll put the rear brakes on with it under power, and if it stops the motorcycle from moving, then the rear brakes they're a lot better. I might be able to test it out in the driveway going into the garage, because we're supposed to start getting snow now. So that's what's going on with the motorcycle. Let me turn the camera on. I also changed my foot pegs too, because I almost dropped this in the driveway because of those Salute foot pegs I have on there. My shoe caught on the middle finger, and so I deemed those as dangerous, and I took them off, and I'm trying to sell those. So let's turn this around. See, I took those Salute foot pegs off, because that left one there, what happened was my shoe got caught on the edge of the finger. You know, so if I sell them, if I don't sell them, I'll put them back on maybe when I take this to events. I also cut off hold on a minute. Hey guys, as you see, we had a little accident in here. What had happened is I commemorative my husky Max, because I could have sworn I heard him make a little yelp beside my bed. I swear to God I heard him, and I guess it was a spirit. So this is his urn. His urn got burned a little bit, but it's still savable. So I had a candle here and a candle here, and I lit the candles, and I forgot about them here. I guess the candle must have got too hot. The glass broke and it started a fire up here. As you see, this is all wax on the TV. And my wife woke up. She hollering for me, come up here. This is all on fire. And I threw water on it. The water put it out. Surprisingly, the water never shorted the TV out. Water never got on the TV. Everything that was up here is destroyed. And I took that piece of plaster down just to make sure there was no hot cinders inside the ceiling. Because these old houses, what they used to do is they insulated them with newspaper. So that's why I had to take all that down. You can see the newspaper up there. And so what we're going to have to do, I have drywall for that. We're going to have to wash this, and then everything is going to have to be painted in here. Because you see, the smoke, when the whole house is filled with smoke.
Thank you for letting our family be part of your family. Happy holidays.
So yeah, don't never leave candles unattended, guys. I learned the hard way.